Hello, Internet. So if you really want to make it big, you got to get lucky. You got to get that big break. That's how overnight success happens, and it happens to everybody. You just got to wait for it to happen. Just wait for it. By the way, welcome to the Empirical Sword. I'm Lord Master DLC 79, and happen to believe the school doesn't teach. We have to be the masters of our education, meaning we have to take the whole education thing into our own hands, meaning we have to learn the things the school doesn't teach. For example, it's never luck. It doesn't exist. Overnight success is a myth. Big breaks, while they do happen, they are rare. You can't engineer rare. The whole idea of luck is it's an excuse invented by people who want. Actually, I really shouldn't even say want, because if you want it badly enough, I mean, I've already done a video on this. If you want it badly enough, you will find a way to make it happen. The idea of luck was invented by people who kind of they dream of being successful, doing something, achieving a goal, but they don't really follow through with it. They might try it, but then, you got to get lucky to do that. I wrote an article once, submitted it to a newspaper, they didn't like it. You just got to get lucky, I don't have time for that. These are the people who invented the idea of luck. That yes, anomalies do happen. Because statistics, the law of big numbers and the law of averages, things like this. Anomalies happen. Sometimes people will win the lottery twice in a row. If you consider the actual number of these things that are happening, anomalies like this are not surprising. But don't try to base your success on anomalies. Anomalies are not repeatable. You want repeatable results. So how do you get that? Well, there's an easy way. It's actually not that easy. It's easy to explain, but it's not easy. Imagine a game of darts. You put up a dartboard, go to the other side of the room, throw a dart, and you miss. Oh, that's a game of luck. You just got to get lucky. That's what most people do. Successful people, they don't do that. They throw another dart, and another, and another, and another, and another. And with every single dart they throw and miss, they're like, okay, why am I missing? What can I do better to miss less? And eventually they figured out how to miss less. They figured out how to fail less. Learn from failures. In fact, really, there's no such thing as failure unless you just give up. And unfortunately, that's what most people do. They just give up. If you want to be a success, you can't give up. You have to keep trying. You have to learn from these results that you don't like. Because every time you try something and it doesn't go your way, why did that happen? What can you learn from that? That's an opportunity to learn something, to grow, to get better at the thing that you want to do. And we can all do this. It's just most of us don't put in the effort. It's easy to explain, but most people don't have the patience to actually stick through the process to get good at not failing. And one more thing, call this a bonus tip. That kind of branches off of the luck is an excuse theme. Excuses are essentially self-limiting beliefs. It's easier to believe that people become successful by luck because that can happen to anybody at any time without any kind of work at all. You want to be successful? You're going to have to work. And it's not always going to be easy. And unfortunately, people gain more satisfaction by making excuses for why they're not succeeding. It's luck, or so-and-so is stealing all my customers, or excuses like this. It's more satisfying and easier to do this than actually put in the work to actually succeed. It's a form of laziness. So if you really want to succeed, stop being lazy. Stop making excuses and figure out what you need to do. What's the most important thing that you need to do, and do that. Because it's never luck.